This is the project I made, a popular game called Tic-Tac-Toe. Uh, this is how it runs. So it asks, by default, it has player 1 has sign cross and the player 2 has sign 0, and it shows the board and you have to choose a number where you have to put the cross or a circle. So if I say I put player 1, then this this board will display cross at the position which you have chosen. So next, if the second player presses 3, then it will replace it with the circle at the third position, and so on. Like for it, if I select 7, the second player chooses 6, and I select 4, then the game is over with me winning. And I can also save the state if I want to leave it in between. Let's say it will ask me enter S to save and exit. So if I press S, it will save it in the file, and I can load that thing again with L option. So here is it. How it has been done is by pickle module. So I have stored the board game in a file which looks like this. I call it a template, and it is populated by a list here which is a board 1 2 3 4 digits, and in this template these will fill to show the board as I showed. As this board is like a template, and on this I do this. So we open the file and we format it, give it the list, it prints that, and then while the player enters the choices, it checks if these positions already occupy the current player's sign, like cross or circle. So it will check all of these combinations. If it is there, if it is there, then the game ends. This is how the game starts. While true, we print the word. We ask for inputs, like if we want to save it or load the previous one, or a choice for the populating this board. And then in the board list we change these digits to X or a 0 or O, basically not 0, which changes the state of the game. And after that we call that check winner. It checks if it is in these combinations, and if it is there, it ends the game. This is how we exit this while loop. And anything also, when if the player presses S, we save it into a pickle file. We and then exit the loop, or if it is load L. So similarly, we do this to load it from the file, previously saved games from the file.